Hey, want a quick 1,000 Naira? Let me show you how to. In 3 easy steps. Step 1. Use the referral link in the description below to download and install Klasha app on your device. Note, it's very important you use the link in the description, else this won't work for you. Step 2. Sign up, verify your identity, and complete the KYC process on Klasha. Step 3. Reach out to Jarvis in the video description below to claim your 1,000 Naira. Bonus point. Send the keyword OMC cares to Jarvis to get a tip on how to earn 6,000 Naira daily on Klasha. It's as easy as that. Do note, the above offer is for newly registered Klasha accounts, not existing users. T&C applies. I'm Tony, and you're at OMMICANGS. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the notifications bell, and share this to all you want to benefit from it. Today's session was proudly sponsored by Sir OMMICANG. See you at the next session. Remember, the illiterate of the 21st century won't be those who can neither read nor write, but those who by will choose not to learn, unlearn and relearn.